As a recap, disposing of waste is a complex process. To maximize profitability, waste companies prioritize landfill use. These companies control the market for removal and public access, focusing on volume and premium fees. These companies own the real estate used for disposal and use captured landfill gas as an energy source. Still, it can be dangerous and difficult to capture effectively. So, federal, state, and local governments reward these companies for what they do capture. And, having monopolized the industry, are now using landfill gas to fuel their fleets and grow their landfill operations even larger. Impact Environmental Company is committed to better practices. Sorting, storing, and recycling material is a priority. It starts with mattresses and box springs. Impact is partnered with the Mattress Recycling Council. It's this organization that has processed over 2 million units for material repurposement. This agency separates every scrap of material from mattresses and box springs, saving over 66 million cubic feet of landfill space and repurposing over 55,000 tons of material. Mattresses are collected by Impact's junk removal services or from free drop-off by the public, and are loaded onto 53-foot semi-trailer trucks. Once these trucks arrive at the recycling facility, workers cut them open and break them down into their basic components. Foam is baled and compressed, and used in carpet padding or other cushioning applications. The inner springs are extracted and recycled as metal scrap, where it is melted and used to make building materials and other steel products. Cotton and other fibers can be transformed into insulation or industrial filters. Finally, wooden frames are chipped to be used as mulch or biomass fuels. And mattress recycling is only the beginning.
More of the water bottles that you drink from will have more and more post-consumer content. As a good sign of how society is changing, recycled plastics used to sell at a discount, about a 10 to 15% discount. It now sells as more than a 25% premium. And the market is short supplied, so these manufacturers have these aspirations. There's not enough recycled material to go around. That's where we come in. We collect that material, we have it in the value chain, and we think, again, we can repurpose it to drive more circularity and get better economics for us. And again, we don't produce any of this material, right? These are from customers and manufacturing processes. Society ought to want somebody who's got really high standards to take that material and treat it in a very environmentally responsible way, and that's also part of our sustainability story.
Undoubtedly, more will need to be done to remedy the issues with landfills and big garbage. But eventually, with programs that encourage recycling and reuse, coupled with better systems of implementation for diversion, a dent can be made to lower our dependence on landfills and their accompanying problems.